Here we are, guys, bath and shower tile ideas, episode 33. We're up in the hills, beautiful view up here. We are remodeling 3 bathrooms in this home. Let's quickly show you the first bathroom that we're going to remodel, the kids' bathroom. It's a tub surround. We're doing everything from floor tile, vanity, shower, etc. Let's show you what we're working with. Okay, so here is bathroom number 1. We've got our AC unit in, cooling area. We're going to install large format tile on the floor. We're ripping this vanity out. We will be installing vanities, mirrors. We're going to remove this soffit up here, install some drywall so the ceiling is at the same height. 2 4-inch LED cans. Let's take you into the builder's grade shower. You've got your fiberglass tub and your standard builder's grade ceramic tile. So we're going to today demo the shower tub, floor, vanity, soffit. We will install the new valve. We will also install the new tub. Hopefully, if we have enough time, install some backerboard, frame out the niche on this back wall here. Waterproof via Schluter. And that's pretty much it for day 1. So here we go, let's get to work. Bath and shower tile ideas. Time to demo. It's a rare thing that you have a floated shower, builder's grade, but hey, we can demo this shower probably in 1 hour. Who needs a gym membership when you can do this, guys? Here we go. Okay guys, demo is complete. Demo took about approximately 2 hours from start to finish. 2 guys removed all the tile on the floor here, removed the vanity top sinks, also removed this soffit up here, do some drywall patching, some texture matching. We're going to install 2 4-inch LED cans up here. Here is the shower room. Again, tile is removed. This was a tub, fiberglass tub, as well as a floated tub surround. Everything is removed. Studs are prepped. Next step, fairly simple. Install our P-trap drain kit for our tub, install the tub. We're going to install our valve today. Backer boards going up, frame the niche back wall over here, 12 by 12 inch niche, and waterproof via Schluter. So here we go, let's get to work. Day 1. Well, okay guys, here we go. Day 3. Bath and shower tile ideas. Let's show you what we're working with on day 3. So day 1 and 2 included demo, framing, plumbing, some electrical. Quickly show you what we've done. We've demoed the floor, removed the vanity, top, sinks, removed the soffit, installed 2 4-inch LEDs. Come in here. We installed the tall soaking tub, backer board, waterproof Schluter, framed or niche. Of course, make sure you get your layout correct. We've got full tiles, 1, 2, 3, up to the niche. This is going to be mitered on all 4 corners. We've got this really good looking sort of abalone style glass mosaic for the feature behind the recessed shampoo niche. We've got a 33% offset. So here we go. This is what we got done in day 2. Day 3, we're gonna complete the shower and tile this floor. 12 by 24 on this floor. Same thing, 33% offset. So here we go. Day 3, let's get right to work. Bath and shower tile ideas. The niche is complete. Gorgeous abalone mosaic glass. What's up guys? We're at the end of the week on this build. We're working on 2 bathrooms right now. We're working on the kids' bathroom tub surround as well as a half bath. And yesterday we had a full stop. I want to show you how crazy this is. How sometimes you really got to pay attention to the subs that come out to do things. Now the client felt more comfortable working with the tile supply company who subbed out a quote custom cabinet company end quote. So they show up. We thought everything was cool. We decide to go spend an hour at lunch and give them some space and some time back here. When we show back up on the job site an hour later, you're gonna find this crazy. First of all, we walk in and see this vanity here. Check this vanity out. This is a 60-inch vanity for a 59-inch opening in this bathroom, and it is not custom. The box says made in China. It weighs nothing. It's cheap. Let's show you this vanity, and then I'm gonna go in there and show you what they attempted to do to get this 60-inch vanity to fit in a 59-inch opening. Just crazy. So here's the vanity that they assembled. Cheap. Thin plywood. I mean, you've got brackets holding it together. This is not nailed and glued. This is a no more than a $500 vanity. It weighs nothing. It's all scratched up for them trying to shove it into the opening. I'll show you that right now. But the client paid $1,600, $1,600 for this vanity and installing the vanity. Literally 2 screws. That does not include the stone top. $1,600. So that was our first red flag. Cheap vanity, not custom. 60-inch vanity. We know the opening's 59-inch. You got a box right there. You can see that. Made in China. So let's show you what they did when we walked in after lunch. So here's the bathroom. So we walk in, and we just, mind you, we just skim coated all of these walls, sprayed our texture about an hour before these guys showed up. They removed drywall on both sides and assembled the vanity inside here. Obviously, it's a 60-inch vanity. It won't fit. You won't be able to open the doors. So what happened was they installed it. You couldn't open the doors. Their next plan of attack was to remove all of the drywall back here in order to shove the vanity back against that stud. And I was like, what the heck are you guys doing? Please stop. Pack up all your tools. Please get out of this house. This is not how you do this. So anyways, this is crazy. This is the kind of stuff you got to watch out for. Subs that you don't personally work with. Gosh, crazy stuff. So now the client has to eat the additional charge for us to repatch all this stuff up. They're contacting an actual custom cabinet maker today to build a custom cabinet to fit this 59-inch opening. But floor is done, it's covered. We're going to paint today. Again, we got the cans up. We've got the tub in. Everything is looking beautiful. Brand new one-piece toilet. We're trying to decide on trim edging. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to clear all this stuff out. Looks like we're gonna be going with our chrome Jolly. And yeah, the shower is looking beautiful, all sealed up. Installing shower doors today. And we're gonna get right to work. Keep watching. We'll do a final walkthrough momentarily.